Most of us carry far too much tension and stress in our lives, and many of us have habituated to this stress, and in fact, it can over time have really deleterious effects on our health and our well being. The Feldenkrais method offers us one of the most effective and immediate ways of addressing this situation. From a physiological point of view, this state of, you could call it fight or flight, is with us constantly and on the ready. In other words, it's useful if we encounter danger or a situation that's threatening to us. But what happens is that for most of us, this becomes a constant for us. This is the state, the physiological state that we are in all the time. In an ideally harmonious nervous system, there's an alternating between that kind of extreme readiness and relaxation. But this isn't what happens. And so these lessons I'm offering in this workshop will tilt your nervous system towards that more parasympathetic, relaxed state. In fact, the lessons in this workshop are lessons that I use myself when I'm having stressful thoughts or anxiety, or I can't fall asleep at night, or I've woken up and can't go back to sleep. I know that they work, and I know that they will be helpful to you.